Ooh, tasting. 1, 2, 3. Hi everyone, I'm making a YouTube video. Okay, so today I'm gonna have two friends come in. The first one is the chicken green, Isha Asad. And the second one is the representative from the Orient, Ching.
Hello.
Hey.
So this video is aptly titled Types of People in Living Theory. Okay, so we're gonna talk about the people who are in our class, which is, does anyone know the
strength?
No, the class number.
40?
004. My class is 104, sorry.
It's
Class
SS2113.
Oh,
something.
yes, that. I think that's SS2213, 2123. One of.
We don't know what this class is called,
One
but
theory.
so it's called Living Theory by Maria Ahmed. The first category we're going to talk about is the Lahori gals. So they sit right here. If you're here, I'm really sorry. Isha, do you want to talk about that?
They're just so Lahori. They come all dressed up and like makeup and stuff, which is totally fine. I like it. I wish I could put that effort into my daily appearance, you know. So it's cool. I like it.
That's a communist mindset.
Wow, great job. This won't get you more
Extra
money.
CP.
No, me please. I need it.
Do they ever come to class?
I noticed they did halfway through. After the break, they don't come.
Why did we do that?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, but that's gonna be.
Wait, is there attendance in this class?
No, there's not.
But there's CP, and he sent an
Oh.
email. Ali sent an email going like, if you leave after the class, your CP for the entire session is gone. Nice. Give me CP now.
And then the next one is called the Music Society.
Jon Snow.
Voices.
Yeah, so that's talking about, Adil and
Jon
Yunus.
Snow.
He doesn't have a name. Wait, no, I should probably put a part of him in my music video. Did you know that Jon Snow was the one who told me about this class? I wouldn't have joined if it wasn't for Jon Snow. Didn't even tell you about the class.
He did. And I was like, 2000 level, no freaking way.
Thank you, actually. We should thank him.
Yes, thank you.
You didn't tell me about the class. Viewers, beep that. Whatever.
Thank you.
So the next ones are CP boys and gals.
What are those?
If I'm Maria Ahmed, the guy who sits here, the girl who we just kicked out, I'm really sorry by the way for he, like the girl who sits here,
Bob, who's Bob?
Because she bobs her head.
She bobs her head a lot. That's not mean. I
Have-
don't think so because she does it very intensely. So I think she knows.
like, do you know, by the way, if you're in this class?
It's totally fine. It's how you're expressing yourself.
Yes. You are the best entertainment in the class. Like, we love you,
Yes.
like, from the bottom of our heart. And then there's that girl who sits there.
The one in my
RO.
at the end.
You know who has really good CP? Like, really good CP, but doesn't ever speak? Left
In
corner.
front of Jon
Yeah,
Snow.
yeah, yeah.
In front of
and
Jon
Adil.
Snow.
I don't know her name.
That's fine.
No one knows her
neither
name.
do we.
Do we? The next one are the seniors in this class who are supposed to graduate.
She sounds good.
If you don't know already, there's two people. One is this Chinky baby.
Yes.
And then the other one's Khalid. They sit together and then they just...
They have the time of their. The thing is, as seniors in the class, we have no other reason to be there other than to learn, right? So it's. I
Not to
think-
graduate or anything.
Yeah,
Credit
we
hours
can-
and all that. No.
We've already spent an extra. We're already spending an extra year, so we're okay with spending a few more. But we want to learn in this class.
You will not get CP and marks for this thing. Stop trying. What should we call ourselves, Isha? Because we need a name.
Oh, it's you, Sanila, and Isha, right?
Yeah.
The Powerpuff Girls.
Wait, who's who then?
Green, obviously, Buttercup.
She's such a bitch.
Buttercup.
What was the idiot?
I
Oh,
feel
Sanila.
like I'm more of
Your
a...
personality is more of a blossoming one. Like
Wow.
Blossom, get it?
Wow, blossoming right in this
Yeah.
video with my brain. Please give me. We are the Powerpuff Girls. So this category of people is one person, the non-lum student, which is our very own Georgetown boy who wore a Georgetown shirt and a Georgetown cap, Waliullah.
Represent.
Signed into a Georgetown account. and
Signed into a Georgetown account.
And then left it like that. After the presentation, go back to Georgetown. We'll build a wall. A living theory wall.
Wait, everyone nod in unison. 3, 2, 1.
We were not in what?
Everyone nod in unison.
Oh,
3, 2, 1.
I thought at Eunice.
At-
Eunice.
Everyone nodded Eunice.
Yeah.
So the next one category is our TA. Please stop.
Oh.
I'm just
I
gonna
love
remain.
you.
To get the CP. This one time when we were walking into the library, he sees her and he just turns. And then we go in and he comes back to where he was
Why are
standing.
you scared of me? I just want to show you some love. He's never gonna speak to me after this. No, Buttercup don't care.
The last category, which is another person who is very close to all of us, it's Maria Amir.
Should I go for CP or should I go for?
Hold on, this is all gonna be a lie. This one's a good grade. Continue.
No. I think the grade that I will get is the grade that I deserve based on my effort and hard work in this course. But that is why Ma'am Maria Amir is so. She's so impartial with the things that she does, and sometimes it's wrong to not be of her opinion, but not share the same opinion as hers. But I think overall, she is one of, if not the best instructor that I've had at LUMS.
I think she's a super cool instructor, and she is just like a vast pool of knowledge. I wish I could be more like her. And
Is this for
she's
CP?
very cool. No, actually, I sincerely think she's very, very cool. And I wish she weren't leaving LUMS so that I could take more courses and beg for more CP, to which you can say no to every single time. I'm just numb now. Okay, I'm done.
Can we just talk about how Maria Amir is like, sitting in her seat and then she just goes like, have any of you read the Communist Influence of the Congruity by Anuman Parsan Samantha? Anyone?
No.
No? Wow. You guys should really read it.
Okay, so I didn't attend. This is the first class that I've had with Ma'am Maria Amir.
Same.
But Khalid, shout out. Khalid, no, sorry, shout out Khalid.
Where
there.
kahan baithta hai aise? We're just trying like in different places. Khalid.
Okay, so Khalid sits there, and Khalid had his first course and the first class of LUMS with Ma'am Maria Amir.
Oh.
And on Monday, he's gonna have his last class of the last course that he's had in LUMS with her.
Oh.
And I wish that I had done the same. I had her as my writing and comm instructor in
Awesome.
freshman year. But the fact that I am or I will be attending Ma'am Maria Amir's last class is a very momentous occasion.
Actually, yeah, like don't you feel kind of special that we're the only people who will ever get to take living theory? Like that's very cool. Like we get to learn the skill.
Blessed.
Yeah, I love how she checks everything on time and returns it at a timely manner. I still don't know what I got in my art.
She Noise reacted to that now. One of the things is when she can very easily tell who's bullshitting and who's not in class when it comes to CP. If you guys have ever noticed in class, what she does is if you bullshit, then she accepts it, but then she smiles and then she has a sarcastic answer. She's saying the same thing, and the other person, because he's bullshitting, doesn't know she's saying the same thing. And then he's like, yeah. And then ma'am's like, yeah, I know what you're doing, shit. You little shit.
That's exactly what man says. You're a shit.
No, and probably a more complex word, like you little feces.
And she always brings that can of Diet Coke to
And
class.
Coke Zero, please.
Oh, sorry.
There's a difference.
Always that Coke Zero to class. And that's it.
Yeah, so that one last thing that's annoying me is how the projector's too long. Like the
Oh,
screen.
it's always on her face.
It's always on her face.
Always on her face.
Like,
And during these videos, whenever they're like playing, I just look at her face sometimes, and then she looks at me too, and it's just awkward. And then I just look off, and I think she thinks I'm staring at her. I swear I'm not. I'm just trying to watch the video. I mean, I could stare at you too, though. I'll stop talking.
so at this point, I think we end the video and we end the class. So it's been fun. It's been great.
Good course, good times, good memories.
Thank you for this amazing course. It's been great. I hope this skill is liked by ma'am. And I actually kind of want to keep up the YouTube thing. It's actually kind of fun. But yes, thank you. And we say goodbye. You're supposed to wave for change.
Bye.
Bye, Ali.